Here's an idea on what to do if you have extra eggs left over on the Homestead. We're going to make an egg custard today. 1/2 cup of flour, first of all, to my mixing bowl. We're going to add 1 3/4 cup of sugar. You want to stir that up just a little bit together. 1/2 stick of margarine, and we're going to melt it a little bit or let it get really soft setting out. Mine's not real soft, so I'm going to have to melt mine in the microwave. So now that my butter is melted in the microwave, I'm going to first add 2 cups of milk. All right, and you can add your butter. So we've got nice fresh eggs. We're doing 4 eggs. This is for my olive egg or chickens, by the way. Pretty blue. Mix your eggs up a little bit so they're a little bit beaten before you put them in the mixing bowl with the other stuff. We're going to mix all this together for just about a minute. It doesn't take long with your mixer. Alright, once you got that a little bit mixed up, you're going to add your flavorings. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You're going to do just a dash of nutmeg. You can also try to add any other flavoring you want to add. You can do lemon. It just gives it a little different taste. The secret to this recipe, you don't have to use a pie crust. It'll actually make its own crust, but I like using a pie crust with mine, so I am going to use a pie crust. So if you have all these eggs and you have your flour and everything at home, but you don't have a pie crust, you can just put this in a dish and cook it without the pie crust. This was a refrigerated pie crust. I'm letting it soften out of the freezer, and I'm just going to put it in the pie plate. If you want to make your edges pretty, then you take a fork and kind of go around. Then you're going to just pour your filling in the middle of this. This may not go well. Now I'm going to set mine on a pan. Sometimes you have overflow. We're going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees. We're going to cook it for about 40 minutes. Sometimes you may have to cook it a little bit longer than that. If it's still running in the middle, you may need to put it back in there for a few more minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Be careful, your oven's pretty hot. Your pie should be mostly like this. You shouldn't be able to move it and it jiggle everywhere, just a little bit. And as this cools off, it'll harden up. And there you have it, what to do with your extra eggs from the Homestead. Thank you for watching.